Do you want a faster way to plot a property lot in AutoCAD? In this video, I'll show you how to use Excel and AutoCAD 2025 to make plotting easier using real bearings and distances from a lot description. I've already created a simple Excel sheet to automate the conversion of bearings and distances. Download this Excel file from the link in the video description below. Now let's enter the data. Input the bearing direction and degrees, minutes, and the distance for each line. Once you've entered all your data, Excel automatically generates the coordinates. Highlight the final coordinate column in Excel. Select and copy the coordinate list. In AutoCAD, type PL to start the polyline command. Now go to the command type area and paste the coordinates you copied from Excel. If the lot isn't closed, simply draw a line from the last point back to the first to close it manually. Now you can style your lot any way you like, change line types, set the color, and add bearing texts. And that's how easy it is to plot a lot in AutoCAD using Excel. No manual typing, just copy, paste, and done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AutoCAD tips, rendering tricks, and creative workflows.